Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that promises to give you that coveted lit-from-within glow, Stila's Heavens Hue Hydro-luminator in the shade Stargazer. This gel highlighter has been making waves in the beauty world, and it's time to see if it really lives up to the hype. First off, let's break down what this product is all about. Stila's Heavens Hue Hydro-luminator is a gel-based highlighter designed to give your skin a radiant, dewy finish. It's marketed as a sheer formula, meaning it's designed to build up gradually, allowing you to control the intensity of the glow. The texture is a bit unique, almost like a cushiony gel that melts into the skin. The Stargazer shade, specifically, is described as a pearlescent champagne with a subtle pink undertone, making it suitable for a wide range of skin tones. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. I've tested this highlighter in several ways, and here's what I found. First, the application is incredibly smooth. The gel texture blends effortlessly into the skin, and a little bit goes a long way. I applied it to the high points of my face, cheekbones, brow bone, and the bridge of my nose, and the result was nothing short of stunning. The product gives off a radiant, almost wet look without feeling sticky or heavy. It's definitely more of a natural glow rather than a metallic, in-your-face shine, which is perfect for everyday wear. The longevity is also worth mentioning. While it's not the longest wearing highlighter I've tested, it holds up well for about 6 to 8 hours without fading too much. It does tend to sink into the skin over time, which actually works in its favor, as the glow looks more like a second skin effect. However, if you're someone who needs all-day intensity, you might need a bit of touch-up. Let's dive into the pros and cons. On the positive side, the texture is absolutely delightful. The gel formula feels hydrating and lightweight, and it doesn't emphasize texture or fine lines, which is a big win for mature or dry skin. The subtle glow is perfect for those who want something more natural and less glittery. The shade Stargazer is versatile, making it a great option for a range of skin tones, especially those with neutral to cool undertones. Plus, it's easy to layer for those who want to build up the glow. On the downside, the sheer coverage might not be enough for those who prefer a more intense, reflective highlight. While the longevity is decent, it's not the longest-lasting option out there. And while the packaging is sleek, it could be a bit more practical. Since the gel formula is on the softer side, I worry it might get messy over time. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this product falls into the mid-high range. The quality of the formula is certainly there, and if you're someone who values a natural, lit-from-within glow, it could be worth the splurge. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are similar options from other brands that offer comparable results at a lower price point. Speaking of alternatives, if you're looking for something that gives a similar effect, I'd suggest checking out the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid Highlighter. It's another lightweight formula that gives a beautiful dewy finish, or the ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter for a more affordable option with great pigmentation. Overall, Stila's Heavens Hue Hydro-luminator is a lovely option for anyone who loves a natural, glowing highlight. It's particularly suited for those with dry or mature skin who want something hydrating and buildable. It may not be for you if you prefer something blinding or super long wearing, but if you're into subtle radiance that feels fresh and skin-like, this is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've tried Stila's Heavens Hue Hydro-luminator, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.